guys, it's Toxic Fox. Welcome back to my channel. I have a shopping problem. But I have another package. It's another big boy. I bought more REN Faire stuff. I'm really enjoying the REN Faire vibes. I love the looks. It brings me joy. It is my happy place. So I've bought more things for my REN Faire wardrobe, and I thought we could open it together. I even remembered, I didn't remember. I forgot to take my lanyard with my knives off at work, so I have them. So we have a kniff. Oh, it's a big box. So this is another Shein order because I'm kind of a broke bitch. I mean, I'm not, but like I am. So it's Shein order. Came in 2 packages. The first package I did already open, and it's this cute gold and light purple jewelry set. It's got necklace, earrings, and a matching tiara. Super cute, very sparkle. So that came separately because it was shipped from within Canada, whereas this box came from China. So there's a lot in here. There's at least one item which is not for REN Faire, and that is these. I'm excited to see what these actually look like because they come in a few colors and I kind of want them in several colors. But I got these really cute lilac-y flared yoga pants. They're super cute. They just have basic waistband, really adorable, nice panels. They feel nice and stretchy. So yeah, we got these. That size is much better for the color, so I'm really excited about these because I love me some athleisure wear, and I do want more gym clothes. So I guess we're just gonna like hop right in. Not a color I buy a whole lot of, but we've got some yellow. So this is a dress. I can wear it on its own or with some corsets or like overshirts or an undershirt. But it's just this lovely yellow tank top dress. It's got a really pretty like lace panel in the front that is see-through, so you get to see a bit of skin if you're wearing this on its own. So you'll get that like see-through effect if you're wearing it on its own, and then it's just a like gathered tiered skirt. So that's really cute. I don't have any yellow in my wardrobe, so it's nice to add another color. Alright, next. I don't entirely remember everything that I purchased in here. So, oh, this is to go with the yellow. I mean, and lots of other things, but so we got this little tank top that is a laced, corset laced style. Obviously it's not a real corset. It has no real structure to it. But it's just got these beautiful little flowers. Super adorable. It's got little lace details, so like would look really cute on its own or with some nice billowy sleeves or over the dress. Oh, that's gonna look so cute. What's in this one? This appears to be black. Oh. So this is just a 3-tiered skirt in black. Nice, simple, good for layering. Elastic waistband. Ties that I'm going to take off because they're completely useless. So there's that. Should be fun for twirling though. What are you? I don't remember anything with hardware on it. Oh, this is a cape cloak situation. Okay, so there's a hood. There's a hood And then this is the little detail that goes around your neck. And then we have lovely chiffon flowiness. So like this is the cape bit here, and it's just, oh wait, there we go. Oh, it's just like yards of Georgette. But it's in this gorgeous color, and I'm really excited to see what that looks like on, because you cannot tell at all what it looks like by holding it up. Like, I was very confused for a minute. I got a trinket for my phone because I'm always scared I'm going to drop my phone, and I have the little hook thing on the back of my phone for charms. So I got this adorable little ghost lanyard that I can loop onto the thing on the back of my phone. It's super cute and spooky, and they have little faces. This is adorable. So we got that. REN Faire trinket / everyday trinket because it's just adorable. So I got myself a little hair thing. So it's this super cute little dragon. It's got little moon faces and a little like wannabe pearl gem. Super cute. And then it's like got the stick, because you're just gonna pull your hair through and go whoop, and it like, it holds your hair back. It goes back here. It holds your hair back. It's super cute. Really excited. Got some blue. This is another tank top over shirt dealio. So this is just kind of a blue toile look tank top. Super cute. It's got a little bit of a dip in the front for over top of things. I could make this myself, but I wanted something where I wasn't going to care if it got wet, and just like a nice basic. So we got ourselves a little witch hat moment. Super cute. I'll fix that. I don't know if I'll embellish it or just leave it black. But it's nice, basic. It would cost me like 4 or 5 times the amount of money to purchase the yarn and actually spend the time making this than it did for me to just buy the hat. So now I have a basic one. Another trinket. I have no need for this. Why are you, I mean, I appreciate the bubble wrap, but I mean, you were like $3. So I bought a wand. I'll probably use it as a hair stick actually, but it's just this metallic purple, kind of like tree trunk, oozy goo, and then it's got like crystal and then some other embellishments down it, and it's just black wood. So I mean, it's supposed to be a wand, but I will probably use it as a hair stick because I am a hair stick girly. That might be my favorite piece so far. We got some pink. So, oh, it's the same as the green and the purple one I have, but I did buy another underdress in pink. We got the chiffon sleeves. We got the long layers. It's just, I needed some more color options. So, pink dress. We got 3 things left. I mean, but like kind of not 3 things, because one of them is a bundle of goods. So obviously, I'm in need of a REN Faire belt because I bought belt trinkets last year and I have no belt to put them on. In fact, the only belt that I currently own is a NASA belt, and that's just not the vibe. So we got a set that is a belt. We've got Celtic knots on it, just a basic metal ringed belt in a nice general traditional brown. And with it, one functional skirt hike. Obviously it's got the 2 rings, so skirt hike. This one appears to be missing its rings, and now I'm gonna have to go back into the photo, into the description, and see if it's meant to have rings or not. Even if it's not, I can add my own rings or figure something else out. We have a pouch. We have a lovely little drawstring pouch to slide onto my belt. Obviously, it's just a little guy, and then I can tie it, whatever. I kind of really enjoy that it like straight up lays almost flat. Like, that's kind of cool. That's cool. I could totally make these myself. Not that I couldn't have before this, but like, now that I've seen it. And it also came with a potion bottle for my belt. I don't know what I'm going to put in it. Maybe I'll fill it with secret booze. I don't know. But beltable potion bottle that's actually, it's actually glass. And my nails aren't long enough to do the tappy tappy right now. And then I got the same item in 2 colors. That's my cat. Excuse me. Sorry, I had to double check that my iPad was okay because he just caused a whole kerfuffle. Anyway, that's the last time I did get in 2 colors. 1 color for the REN Faire, 1 color for everyday use because I just thought they were really cute. We got tall boots. This is the brown ones. Obviously, these are for REN Faire. They're just tall, brown, lace-up guys. They've got an inner zipper for easier access to putting on your feet. But, you know, brown, generic color. And then I thought they were really, really cute. And they came in another fun color that I thought would be nice for my everyday use. Or for more mystical looks, like fairies. So I got the same pair in purple. So, man, really, really love those. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.